So whereabouts are you from?
What?
What country are you from?
I'm from Russia.
You're from Russia. And how did you come from Russia to Cambodia?
Well, I was in Kazakhstan and I've always wanted to go live for some time in some place like this.
Yes.
In the south. And I decided why not go to Cambodia. It has always been one of my options. The other was Latin America.
That's amazing that you're in Russia and you're thinking about and you're in Cambodia now.
Well,
Yeah,
I guess so.
And are you looking for work?
Well, yes, I'm looking to do work volunteering here. Actually, I still have my job. I work for a research university.
Yes.
Well, I'm a translator there. And I'm looking to study Khmer. And currently I am studying programming.
Oh,
so,
what a great fella. Yeah.
this place is really good for studying because it's quite calm, nothing distracts you.
So you would recommend other Russians to come to Cambodia?
Some of my friends think of visiting me already.
Yeah. And would you recommend other Russians to come to Cambodia? Good country to come to?
It's a good place.
Yeah,
I would
Cambodia.
recommend just everyone.
Yes, yeah. I'm glad, yeah.
The only problem was the temperature, the heat, the humidity, but I've adjusted.
Yeah, it takes about 6 months to get adjusted to the temperature.
Yeah,
About 6 months, yeah.
that's my third month, but it's already a lot easier.
Yeah, well, it's amazing. I met a Russian on a train going to Sihanoukville from Kampot. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Right, today we're going to leave the Kampot railway station and we're going to Sihanoukville for 1 week. So this is the start of the trip to Sihanoukville and we're leaving the Kampot railway station. And these are the tourists hopping on and hopping off. And from the Kampot railway station to Sihanoukville railway station is $6. This is the Kampot railway station. And these are all the people hopping off. That's become very, very budget travel and luxury. Budget travel at luxury prices. If you want to go from Phnom Penh all the way to Sihanoukville, it's $10. And if you want to go from Phnom Penh to Kampot railway station here, is $6. And if you want to go to Kep Beach railway station, is $5 from Phnom Penh. And the train returns from Sihanoukville all the way back to Phnom Penh, leaves Sihanoukville station at 2 p.m. and arrives at Phnom Penh station at 8 p.m. at night. So this is really budget accommodation, and I'll show you some of the seats inside. And then the next bit of the video will be entering Sihanoukville, and I'll have it on silent because it's really noisy because all the houses are built right next to the railway station. So I'll show you inside the train.
Sorry. I beg your pardon. Do you know, does the train stay here long?
So you can see all the windows pull right down. The windows pull right down so you can stick your whole body out. You can see me filming. And there's plenty of room down below. And plenty of empty seats. And they've got food and drink on board. And we're going right through to Sihanoukville. So from now on, it'll be on silent. This is YouTube, first ever on YouTube, entering Sihanoukville. This is a completely restricted area. I've been giving myself, special permission. Been given special permission to be up here. So we're entering Sihanoukville, coming from Phnom Penh. What you're seeing now is the very first time on YouTube, ending Sihanoukville Beach in Cambodia. This is the very first time it's been filmed from up this front in the restricted area. You'll probably never see this again on YouTube. The horn is blasting every time we cross a road that crosses the railway track. They have to blow the horn. We're entering Sihanoukville now. You can see the roads crossing the railway track, so there's no lights or crossing or man, and there's children playing on the railway track, so they have to blow the horn. This is a YouTube's first for YouTube. Never ever been filmed before. I'm in a restricted area. Never ever been filmed before. This is the very first for YouTube. Never ever been filmed before. There's Sihanoukville Beach to the right. This has never ever been filmed on YouTube before. This is the first time ever. Entering Sihanoukville from Phnom Penh on the train. Never ever been filmed before on YouTube. Right beside me is the driver of the train. This has never ever been filmed on YouTube before. This is the first time ever. Cambodia, left Phnom Penh and we're entering Sihanoukville. And here's the Sihanoukville station coming up now. And this is the end of the trip. This is Sihanoukville railway station in Cambodia. Never been filmed before, ever. And that's it. Thank you.